Hey traders, are you tired of inconsistent trading results? What if I told you that 2 free indicators on TradingView could transform your trading game? If you're curious to know how, you're in the right place. Alright, let's jump right in. Open TradingView and pick any asset you're stoked about. Next, set the time frame. For scalping, go for 5 or 15 minute chart. We're going to focus on Bitcoin using a 5-minute chart. An excellent choice for scalping strategies. This stop lets you react quickly to price movements, which is crucial for scalping. Alright, let's add the RMI Trend Sniper indicator to your TradingView chart. It's a super helpful tool for trading. Here's how you do it. First, head to the indicator section on TradingView, and this is where you'll find a bunch of cool tools, including the RMI Trend Sniper indicator. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the RMI Trend Sniper indicator. Once you find it, add it to your chart. Now that the indicator is on your chart, we need to adjust some settings to make it work best for your trading strategy. Don't sweat it, it's a piece of cake. The RMI indicator is a handy tool that helps you figure out when to buy or sell in the market. It's pretty accurate and usually points you in the direction of the current trend. But sometimes the signals might go against the trend. That's why we need a backup indicator to double check and make sure we're making the right moves. But before I tell you more about that, here's a cool tip. If you're feeling lost or just want some expert advice for killer trading signals, you should definitely join the TradeGenius Telegram channel. They've got your back. Now let's go back to our indicator I mentioned. It's seriously going to up your trading game and help you perfect your strategy even more. The second indicator is called Trend Follower. Let's get into the Trend Follower indicator, a cool tool that'll help boost your trading game. Here's how you add it to your TradingView chart. Head over to the indicator section on TradingView. Just like you did with the first indicator, find the Trend Follower and add it to your chart. Now that it's added, let's optimize it together. Just follow my lead. The trend follower is an oscillator, which means it shows you the market's momentum. Here's how to read it. If you see green columns, that means the market's got a bullish momentum. And if columns are red, the momentum is bearish. Now that we've got both the RMI and the trend follower indicators on your TradingView chart, let's get down to business, understanding the trading rules for entering and exiting trades. Follow along as I walk you through the steps. Let's break down the steps for entering a long trade using the strategy we've been discussing. First things first, you need to spot a buy signal on your TradingView chart. This is where the RMI indicator comes into play. When it shows a buy signal, that's a potential opportunity to enter a trade. But before jumping that gun, check the trend follower indicator for more confirmation. If it's showing green columns, that means the market's got bullish momentum. In that case, you're good to go. If both conditions are met, open a buy position and get ready for the next steps. Once you're in the trade, it's crucial to set a stop loss to protect your investment. Place the stop loss below the recent swing low of the market. This way, if the price suddenly drops, your losses are limited. Now comes the exciting part, taking profits. To do this, set a target that is 1.5 times the risk you're taking. This means if your stop loss is, say, $100 away from your entry price, your take profit target should be $150 away from it. Alright, let's talk about how to enter sell trade using the same strategy. Just like before, we'll be using the RMI and the trend follower indicator to guide our decisions. Here's the process. First, keep an eye out for a sell signal on your TradingView chart. This is where the RMI indicator comes in handy. Once you see the sell signal, don't jump in just yet. We need confirmation from our body, the trend follower. If the trend follower shows red columns, that's a sign of bearish momentum in the market, just what we're looking for when selling. When both conditions are met, we can confidently enter a sell position. After entering the trade, protect your investment by setting a stop loss. Place it above the recent swing high of the market. This way, if the price suddenly spikes up, your losses are limited. Now it's time to think about taking profits. Set a target that's 1.5 times the risk you're taking. Ready to keep building your trading skills? Here's a suggestion to keep the momentum going. Check out the recommended video on your screen.